Today I'm going to take you through a complete wash day routine on my Fussy natural hair. I also tried out a complete Lush set, or almost complete. I tried out their shampoo, deep conditioner, and a leave-in treatment. Fun fact, I've actually been using their leave-in treatment since December. Okay, that was when I discovered it, and I've been using it ever since. So here is the complete Lush set I tried out for this wash routine. Okay, the first one in no order at all. We have the shampoo, and then the conditioner, and the deep conditioner, and then the leave-in conditioner. This is what my hair was currently looking like. On this very day, I've already I just took out the style that I had on without water or anything. I just gently unraveled this towel and then put my hair in a chunky twist. Now my wash day for a very long time always begins with a pre-poo treatment, and that is because I have seen the difference between washing my hair without pre-pooing or detangling my hair at all, slash washing my hair after properly pre-pooing my hair. And I'm telling you, I will never go back to washing my hair without pre-pooing unless my hair is in a protective style, or unless my hair is not tangled and I am in a rush, like I'm doing like a fast wash which involves only shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, I've done that once in a blue. I do that when I am in a rush and I feel like I need to cleanse my scalp. So to pre-poo my hair, which is the first step, I am actually using okra, okay, as a pre-poo slash conditioning slash detangling treatment before my wash day. So pre-poo is literally what you apply on your hair before going to wash your hair, because you know how shampoo process can take a while and stress your hair out. Pre-pooing your hair helps, you know, to keep your hair healthy. That's just how I'm going to put it. Okay, so if you've not been pre-pooing your hair before shampooing, try that and you're going to thank me later. Trust me, there was a time when I just go to shower and start washing my hair. Oh my god, like the way I spend hours on end like trying to handle my hair, slash when I actually started pre-pooing my hair, the difference was mad. And you don't have to use okra to pre-poo your hair. In fact, any products that can help you to comb through your hair, any product that can safely detangle your hair, if it's just clean water and oil, I do that sometimes. Just use warm water and oil, so it will be like a hot oil treatment. You can do that and pre-poo your hair, cover your hair for a while, and then go straight to shampooing. But using a product with slime makes the work 10 times faster. Okay, so products that I've tried out with slime are aloe vera. I've tried aloe vera, I've tried flaxseed. I love flaxseed. Okay, the reason why I switch flaxseed to okra is because flaxseed can be a little bit pricey, and you might want to get a lot to get the quantity that you want. However, for okra, I can just buy okra 500 and I will not even use it all, and I can get it to be either thick or runny depending on how I want it to be. Okay, for this very one, I made it very thick and I do not like it. I do not like it because it was difficult to penetrate my hair at first. I had to assist with my hand, you know, before it will penetrate my hair very well. So I'm still trying out consistency for my okra gel. Yeah, when I get the perfect consistency that I like, I'm going to do an update and show you guys. Okay, so I let my hair sit for at least 30 minutes under a hot cap, and this is what my hair looks like. Now it is time for the second step, which is my shampoo step. So here I'm just showing you guys the consistency of the shampoo. It's almost like a gel. Like, I love this shampoo, and see, this video is not sponsored. This video is not sponsored in any way. This is me just giving you my real feedback. If you're looking for affordable products under $10, I think all of this costs under $10. I'm going to be telling you the prices later. Okay, so if you want a very affordable product that get the job done, like Lush sets, mega growth sets are there for you. I'm telling you, I've tried it too, and it is really nice. Okay, so this shampoo lathers very well. But there's something else I noticed with using okra as my pre-poo. Okra actually cleanses my scalp very nice. Like one day I'm going to attempt to do okra wash, like without applying shampoo or anything. I'll just apply on my scalp thoroughly and then rinse with water and just see how my hair looks or feel after that. Because I've been noticing that when I use okra on my hair, like it's kind of cleanses my scalp. If you've had such experience, let me know please. Okay, but aside that, this shampoo actually lathers really well, because I've also tried the shampoo and conditioner on my kids hair when I did a simple wash with just the shampoo and conditioner, and the shampoo lathers well. Okay, all right, so I did the first wash to properly rinse out the okra slime on my hair. Trust me, I am not going back to this type of consistency because it was really too thick. Even to rinse it out was a war, and I was managing water on this very day. There was no water. Can you imagine? I had to go and fetch a borehole water, which is like a hard water. But you're going to see what I did at the end of the video. Okay, so I was managing water and I was trying to wash out this okra slime that is like too hard, kind of. That is literally hard to wash off. But yeah, so after the first wash, I did the second one to make sure that my hair is properly cleansed. One thing I love about this shampoo is the fact that it is actually no stripping. Like my hair did not feel dry at all, even after washing my hair 2 times. Like my hair felt soft, not soft that I have to detangle with a brush, but it was soft. You know, when you wash hair with a stripping shampoo and your hair is feeling that dry and hard, crunchy, but no, this one actually made my hair feel really soft. Hey my loves, please give this video a thumbs up if you are finding it helpful. Okay, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. And at this point, I am done shampooing my hair. This is me just showing you that my hair looks clean now. I don't know why I keep doing this, but well, I'll keep doing it. Alright, so the third step is the deep conditioning, and this is me showing you the consistency of this deep conditioner. Right, it is thick. It is quite thick and very creamy. Okay, however, I wasn't able to detangle my hair with comb on this very wash day after the pre-poo detangling section, because my scalp was on fire. I have a very tender scalp, and some wash days are like this. Like it gets really painful that I will not be able to touch my scalp with any comb. So some days I like to comb my hair when I am pre-pooing, and also comb my hair when I am deep conditioning. However, I've heard from some gurus that I am following right now that it is best you do one brushing during your wash day, maybe twice, once during your pre-poo section and once during your styling, your moisturizing and styling section. So I guess it's not that bad. I was not able to comb my hair while I was, deep conditioning. So let's take a moment and talk about this deep conditioner, because I think I found something that I love. Although I am a DIY girly, I love my DIY deep conditioners a lot. But on days when I am running late, this is actually a very good deep conditioner. I mean, like, this deep conditioner is very creamy. Okay, I'm going to show you the ingredient list on the body of the deep conditioner soon. What I notice is that it doesn't really have like the slip that the conditioner have. However, you would notice how your hair becomes really soft immediately you apply it on your hair. Okay, so on the container it says to leave it for I think 10 to 13 minutes. We are going to see that very soon too. So I just covered my hair with a foot bag and tied my scarf and let my body temperature just warm up my hair for that amount of time. and here this is me back to wash it off. Okay, can you see how soft my hair? I mean, you can tell how soft my hair is by how I'm running my fingers through, even though I cannot comb my hair at this point because my scalp was still on fire. So this is me just rinsing it off on a normal day. On a very regular normal day, this is the end of my wash day. Then I will now moisturize my hair, right? But because I am showing you guys the full set of this wash of this Lush product, I am going to condition my hair after rinsing off the deep conditioner, in case you want to try out this product. Okay, remember that this product is not sponsored. They don't even know that I exist. However, I'm just sharing with you a really good product that I tried. I first tried this on my kids' hair and I love it. Funny how I always used to try products on my own hair first before trying it on my kids' hair. Funny. Well, I guess because I tried their leave-in conditioner and it was really nice. Anyway, for the conditioner has slime. Like, oh god, the consistency is different. I don't know how I'm going to explain it, but it has slime. Like, you can actually use it to safely detangle your hair. And guys, let me tell you one thing, like, you don't have to deep condition and condition your hair on the same wash. I'm telling you. And guess what, this conditioner can actually take the place of deep conditioning. Like, you can safely use this on wash days and maybe use that deep conditioner when you want to do like a deep treatment for your hair. Because tell me how this conditioner, like, it works like a deep conditioner but with more slime. It is worth your try. It is worth your money. The full set of this Lush product is worth your money. I'm telling you, it is good for a natural hair. Okay, so the conditioner says to leave it for 3 minutes, and that was what I did. But this time around I didn't cover my hair because it is a rinse out conditioner. Okay, even if you don't leave it for 3 minutes, it is still okay. All right, so then I'm going to now do the final rinsing, and while I am doing the final rinsing, I will then start picking my hair section by section. That is, I will unravel one twist and then rinse it off thoroughly so that there won't be any product left on my hair. You know that thing they used to say, hair like butter? At this point, my hair is literally like butter, and I am not even kidding. My hair is soft like butter. I'm telling you, like really soft. It's a pity I still didn't have the mind to comb through my hair at this point. So after I finish washing my hair with the hard water, what I do is I pick a sachet of drinking water and I use it to rinse my hair thoroughly. This one sachet is actually not enough, but I managed it. So if you can get your hands on like a liter of drinking water, then please get your hands on one and use it to rinse your hair properly, to rinse out there's any hard water particles on your hair. You rinse it out completely. So even while I was moisturizing my hair, I still did not put comb on my hair. I just applied leave-in conditioner, finger detangle, seal with hair butter, and put my hair in a twist, and then put the tip of my hair in a bantu knot, and that was it. I did not comb my hair again on this very day. In fact, I let my hair rest for complete 3 days, and that was when I was able to do a full moisturizing / detangling section on my hair before putting my hair in a protective style. Okay, so now how much does each of these products that I used today cost? Both the shampoo, the condition, and in fact all the products is 2,000 naira each. Okay, so, and I used 4 products in this video. I used the shampoo, the deep conditioner, the conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner. These 4 products is actually 8,000 naira. So if you are buying the 4 at a go, I'm sure they will remove money for you. Maybe they will sell it at 1,700 or 1,800, and you will still get it like 7,000 or 6,000 plus, depending. And I also think the price depends on the area, on your area, and again on the particular place where you're shopping it. If it's like a supermarket where the prices are stamped or fixed, then of course you might not be able to bargain. But if it's from a store in the market, you might actually bargain, negotiate with them, and they will reduce money for you. Like I bought mine single, but I was able to negotiate for the deep conditioner, and I got that one for 1.8 instead of 2,000 naira. Okay, so that is it. That is my full wash day routine using Lush. And yeah, this product has become my new go-to product from when I want to use a store-bought product, especially the deep conditioner. Like I said earlier, I've been using their leave-in conditioner for a while now, so it's good. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. Please check out the video after this one. It is a playlist of my DIY deep conditioner in case you're looking for an inspiration for one. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, on this channel I share affordable tips for women and busy moms. Okay, so if that is your jam, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you will get notification when next I drop a video that you might like. Okay, please help me share this video with your loved ones, okay, and anyone whom you know will benefit richly from this video. And that is it, my love. My name is Favor. Until I come your way next time, please take care of your amazing self and bye. Mwah.